during the release of Pushpa 2. Now actor Allu Arjun has been summoned by the Hyderabad police tomorrow. He has been asked to appear before the Chikatpally police at 11 a.m. Allu Arjun has been granted interim bail by the High Court, remember, which has directed him to cooperate with the ongoing investigation. So a big day for Allu Arjun tomorrow. He has been summoned by the Hyderabad police tomorrow when it comes to the entire Stampede tragedy which took place at the Sandhya Theatre during the release of Pushpa 2. Now he has been accused by none other than the Congress party of callously just banking on his stardom while that tragedy was unfolding at the Sandhya Theatre. But now he has been ordered by the Hyderabad police to appear before it at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Remember, he was granted bail by the High Court, and the High Court has given directions that he should cooperate with the entire investigation, even as the Congress party has accused him of creating the circumstances in which that entire stampede took place. I'm joined by my colleague Swastika Das on the broadcast to get more details. Swastika, over to you. A big day for Allu Arjun tomorrow.
Definitely. In fact, he has been summoned for interrogation by the Chikatpally Police, Hyderabad Police Commissionerate. In fact, in connection with the Stampede incident, and we're given to understand at this juncture from his legal team that this is a legal process. In fact, in routine process, because remember, why the High Court has granted him interim bail, it had also specified that he will have to cooperate with the investigation, and in that context, Allu Arjun has been summoned tomorrow.
Right. Thank you, Swastika, for joining us on the broadcast with that piece of breaking news. So a big day for Allu Arjun tomorrow as the political storm also rages over his involvement in the Sandhya Theatre Stampede. But as wind